Hey, y'all, this is your girl, April. This video is specifically for my wig lovers and people who love beauty, people who stepping out, just wearing wigs as protective styles and, people who wearing it for fashion. You know what I'm saying? I do it for both. I wear it for, to look good for fashion and as a protective style so I can allow my hair time to grow, and also I want to remember about putting too much chemicals in my hair, and just something quick and I can get out the door. I don't have a lot of time and I still want to look good, so that's why I'm doing this. And also I like to give a shout out to the people who collaborating with me. That's Dinky Tim's hair, Ms.Gaga hair, and Ron hair. They're all on Amazon. Those are my sponsors, i.e. collaborators, you know what I'm saying? So shout out to them for the hair supply. And I'm gonna show y'all what they sent me, you know what I'm saying? What I will be reviewing on my channel, on my YouTube channel, Blogging with April. I suggest that you subscribe if you haven't. And also you can also follow me on Blogging with April on Instagram, Twitter, and Pinterest, y'all. So I'm about to get into it. This is a 18-inch headband wig. This is from Dinky Tim's on Amazon. I got two things with it. So I'm about to open this up to show you. And the thing I like about the headband wigs is that it's like a lazy girl wig pretty much. If you're not into, fixing lace fronts and you want something you can be versatile with and, do different styles, the headband wig is perfect for that. You don't have to do too much prepping. So that's why I like the headband wigs. That's why I really love it. And with this, the company Dinky Tim's, they sent me this with this here. I'm not going to put it on. I'm just unboxing it and showing you. I will do pictures and video of it and put it on my YouTube channel. But I like it. Another thing I like about it is very secure. Have a comb. And look at this cute wave. I love the wave. The body wave of it. I love it. Thanks, Dinky Tim's. You can shop with them on Amazon. It's DINKTIM Amazon. Y'all, their hair is reasonable. And this is human hair. Everything I'm getting, y'all, is human hair. It lasts for a while. You can bleach the hair and color it any color of your liking. Style it, wash it, as if you would treat your real hair. So that's why I love it. I got to put emphasis on human hair, because human hair, we know that lasts for like years. It all depends on how you take care of the hair. Y'all, I'm opening up. I'm going to be showing. This here is another gift from the company. I be like Christmas, like, dang, what they send me? Shout out to them, Okay. These are like things where this is like a wig head thing. You go put your wig, you can store your wigs, like a stand for your wigs. I love it. They sent me 4 of these, and which I love because I collected, I'm probably up to like 12 wigs now. Might be more and counting. I get a shipment like every other day or so. So I need these. These come in handy. I need these to place my girls on. What else they sent me? What else they sent me in this bag? In this pink, beautiful bag. Oh, some lashes. I got some lashes, and I got 2 wig caps. If you're watching Dinky Tim's, thank you so much. I love it, y'all. I love it. I love it. So that was from the company Dinky Tim's, and they sent me, like I said, this is a 18-inch headband wig. It comes with a headband. You can choose different headband of your choice, whatever colors you wearing. Hey, you can do it. You can style it any type of way, but I'm gonna show you that in a later video. I'm just basically unboxing right now. Okay, the next company is Ron hair. This is the Kinky straight headband wig. I love kinky hair. It's that real, natural feel. So I love kinkiness. I love the kinky hair, the crinkly and stuff like that. So I love that. Let's see. It also comes in this beautiful pink bag. And y'all, when you shop with them on Amazon, you will see like the different reviews and the caring of the hair, how the hair is made. You will see that, what I'm saying, before you make your purchase. That's one thing I like about purchasing with my vendors, that I get to see, you know, like how the hair looks. How is it gonna fit me? You know, the quality of the hair. How I'm gonna care for the hair. Is the hair? Can I bleach the hair if I want to bleach the hair? So that's what I like about, you know, shopping with these different companies. Okay, like I said, this is from Ron Hair. This is the the Kinky straight headband wig. Okay, that's why I need I'm glad I have my little wig heads. Okay. Oh, you know, I love a Kinky. This is how it looks. The inside of it. Great quality. You see that cap inside. That nice fit. You see the scrap. I love it. This is like I'm going to the beach and go. You know, so you don't have to worry about the hair sliding up. I love it. They got combs inside it. So I love it, y'all. I love security in my wigs. I love it. I love it. I love it a lot. Like, yeah, I'd be so silly. Okay, so it comes with a nice little postcard. I love it. Thanks, Ron Hair. And also, I got a gift with this too. I got a nice headband with it, and I got my netted weaving cap. This is the thing now. This allows my real hair to breathe. So I like this. So thanks and shout out to them. Ron Hair, I love it. Okay. They are on Amazon. And that's the 14-inch. That's the 14-inch human hair. I have to specify human. That's the human hair. The Kinky. Okay. My last company, my last order for right now is Ms.Gaga hair. I love this box. This beautiful box. Ms.Gaga hair. I work with Ms.Gaga hair. This is like my, I want to say like my third wig from them. Now, Dinky Tim's, the first wig I show you, this is my first wig from them. And Ron, here's my first wig. Ms.Gaga, they are regular with me. Okay, so Ms.Gaga, I have something similar. This is the 20-inch straight human headband wig. Like I said, I like the headband wigs because you get to put different, you know, headband, different things you want to do to, you know, dress up your hair. And also, you know, it's really convenient. Like I said, it's the lazy girl hair. You can just put it on and go. And this hair comes with flexi rod and a cute headband. So I love it. Thanks, Ms.Gaga hair. So I will be back to do a review. I might just do it like on my YouTube channel. You know what I'm saying? But y'all, they all on Amazon. You know what I'm saying? So check them out, y'all. Dinky Tim's hair, Ms.Gaga hair, Ms.Gaga hair, and Piaran hair, Piaoran. They all on Amazon. Like I said, before, you know, normally what I do before I, you know, buy a wig, and you know what I'm saying, and people who, you know, used to buying wigs, normally, you know what I'm saying, you will look at to see what you can do with the wig, the carrying instructions of it. You know, the length, is it a true length? And mostly the wigs that I've gotten, like, they're all true length. You know what I'm saying? So I didn't have to worry about, you know, fake stock cards. And when I mean by stock cards, that's like the different pictures on the box or on the, like, on the label or whatever. And it's not matching. The hair is not a true length of what the stock card is. You want to make sure that's authentic. You know, wigs are in now. You know what I'm saying? We see it all the time. You know, when you watch your favorite reality shows, the girls, their lace front is laid. You know, they got wigs. Like most of, you know, like our favorite celebrities, they're wearing wigs now. It's real convenient, protective. You can look however you want to look. It's cute. You know what I'm saying? You know, it's in now. You know what I'm saying? Like, there's no reason why any of us should go out of the home looking bad, because, you know, we can fix ourselves when we have wigs. So we shouldn't have, there's no excuse in that and looking bad. So You know what I'm saying? So let's get into it, you know what I'm saying? And if you also want to, if you're a person, you're trying to save money, wigs are the way to go. If you're trying to save money, you know what I'm saying, you need to do something, go somewhere quick, and you don't have time to fix your hair, wigs, I love it. So you know what I'm saying, it's the beauty for me. So guys, you know, check my blog at aprilblog.online. Check out my YouTube, Blogging with April, Instagram, Blogging with April, Pinterest, Blogging with April, Twitter, Blogging with April, as I keep you informed of the different looks and styles that I'm rocking. Shout out to these companies again. Thanks for watching. Talk to you later. Bye bye.